Hello student, we'll see LCD interfacing. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Use two sheets of polarizing material with liquid crystal solution placed between them. There are two kinds of LCD such as the color and monochrome. We basically use monochrome with 16 by 2. 16 by 2 means 16 columns, 2 rows. Here is basic block diagram of LCD. 8-bit data we can send. Then two control pins are given, RS, RWE. RS decide whether the coming data is command or data. RW is read or write. Enable data is latch on the data register first. So for that latching and releasing we use enable. Then there is light inside the LCD for the brightness purpose. So for that they use LED. LED 1 is goes to the 5 volt and LED minus is goes to the ground. The brightness of LED we have to control by using interfacing one trimmer over here. Then these are the some commands. We don't need to memorize this. It is given on net, it will Google easily. So here I have taken one example. Port C is from port C 3 bits are used for the control signal, and port D is port D is used as a data port. Two delays I have taken. One delay is for the 125 microseconds. Why 125 microseconds? I'll explain you. Then main program will start. I have to display two messages. First row, upper row will display TE and the next row will display the third year. So we have to take care of the count of alphabets. Then trace D, these all pins are output port or output pins. So that's why I assign 0 0. Now I am sending command. So RS is equal to 0. When you are sending command, then RS is equal to 0. Make it 0. That means you are sending command. That command will store into the command register. Now latch it by using enable is equal to 1. Then wait for some time and release it. Then put 0F, enable it. Then put 01, clear the screen. Now start writing. Now I have to display T middle of the LCD. So count how many bits we have to keep empty. So 80 is the starting bit. So I have 5 bits I am keeping as a empty. So 86 position will be at the 86 position T will display. The enable, then now RS is equal to 1. That means you are sending command. The T is how many alphabets are there? 2 alphabets are there. So J is equal to 0, J is less than 2. The port message 1 is equal to J is equal to 0. It will display. It will send TE. Then between the two data 125 microseconds delay we have to keep. So that's why I design L delay as a 125 microseconds. Then latch it and release it. Now I have to display the second message on second row. So for second the cursor will move to second by 0 cross C 0 command. So but I am keeping 2 bits empty, and from 2 bits third year will start displaying. So command is C2. Latch it and release it. Now I have to send data. So RS is equal to 1. In third year how many bits are there? 10 bits are there. 0 until third year will going to display 1 by 1. Enable it, latch it, then release it. So between two data we have to keep a delay of 125 microseconds. So here I have designed two delays. One is for normal delay and another one is for the 125 microseconds. Thank you, student.